It's in page 20 here. It says, you can check in your book, expressions. Maybe you know from English, what does mean expression? To express something. Yes, our English professor.
Teacher, what page?
Sadness,
Teacher, are we going to
happiness.
have this
20.
in the exam?
No, this one you will not have in the exam. It's on page 20, okay? So express, you're
Yes.
expressing something. Yes, you're explaining something. You're expressing a feeling, for example, in English, when we are saying express, expression. So here in math, for what we're using expression, we are explaining some problems with some letters, okay? So how it works, using letters to represent unknown numbers is called algebra, okay? It's called algebra, and you can write this, okay?
Okay.
And here now, it starts to get the letters into the math. Till now, we were solving without letters and with the operations that we know. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Also here we'll use the operations, but here we will have also some letters.
Teacher, I've
Okay.
heard that algebra is one of the hardest topics in math. Maybe I'm wrong.
Algebra is not on the topic, but most of the things, most of the topics are called algebra in math. Okay.
Okay.
You will see. You're
What
starting
is
to
algebra?
Algebra.
Does
Oh,
it
algebra.
have any? What?
algebra. A part of the math is algebra.
Okay, I thought it had like a meaning.
Yes. Now let me take the attendance. Yasin is here. Edin
Here.
here. Genti, no. Donny, no. Ronnie, no. Marigona is here. Olsa is here. Erasami,
I'm here.
Erasami, no. Granite,
Here.
Limani,
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Elliot, no. Okay. Now it means that we will have some unknowns and then we will represent the unknowns with the letters, and this is called the algebra. Now here, using letters for unknown numbers. Solving problems is often much easier if you use letters to represent unknown numbers. For example, here we have a, let's say, a bottle, okay? And we don't know how much is there, you know? We know. We say that it is N, or you can say it is X, or you can say A, you can say B, doesn't matter, okay? They have chosen here the N. And if we are putting two balls on it, and it becomes N plus 2, yes? Because we don't know how much balls is there. We said that there are
Yes.
N balls. And if I am putting two more balls, so it becomes N plus 2. So this here, the N is called a variable, okay? Variable. And N plus 2 is called an expression, okay? Here it expresses something, that there were N balls and two more is put it, you know? But N is the
Has
variable.
been added.
Added. The N is the variable, and N plus no marbles, it says, we are saying balls. N plus 2 is called the expression, okay? You can write this one. If you can draw, you know, a basic thing like N and plus this one.
Okay. What about the sentence, teacher? Shall we write it?
Yes, it will be better if you'll write, okay?
Okay. Just give me something.
the unknown number of marbles, and it's called variable. Okay, it's very important to know what does it mean variable. Variable. Are you writing it in?
Yes.
Okay, did you understand what does mean variable? What does mean expression?
Not quite, but I get a grip of it.
Okay.
The N or X or V or something, it's called
Yeah,
variable.
the n plus 2 is called
And like
expression,
the
and
numbers
variable.
are called expression.
It's not the number, but here we are doing, there is an operation. For example, this is only n. We don't know how many marbles are there. But here we're putting 2 more marbles.
N plus 2.
And because we don't know here how many marbles we have, and we are writing n plus 2. And now this is an expression here that we show how many marbles are there, okay?
How are we gonna know like how many
If
balls are in N?
here now our topic is to write the expression, to learn how to write the expressions. Okay, now we are not solving them. Now in this chapter only we will write, and then we'll have another chapter to solve the expressions, and then you will see how we are solving them. Okay,
Okay,
now
gotcha.
it's important to understand how we are writing, how we get this plus 2. You know, here it's very easy, but you may have something that, you know, it's different. Now it's very
Yeah.
important for you to write the correct expressions.
I have written.
Okay. When you will be ready, tell me.
I'm ready, teacher.
Okay.
You have to draw those things.
Yeah.
But you don't have to do it like very, you know, artistic.
I didn't like the Among Us characters. A circular shape and a circular shape inside, but not in the
Yes.
middle.
Yesterday I started to play Among Us with my niece and nephew.
Really? Did you like it?
Did you manipulate her and say
It's
you're
like,
not the imposter?
it's not like, you know, it's,
Teacher,
I don't know.
when you first,
I like playing games, but you know, in only like once, twice, and then it becomes boring.
once in a while, you know.
Mm.
But
But
teacher, you know what the definition of Among Us? It's a game when you manipulate and lie to people to get what you
Yeah.
want or what you need.
Mm. I didn't like. I like to be crew, but not imposter, killing someone.
I love being
Like
imposters.
the
The
crewmate
vent
war?
kills, the
Yeah.
manipulation, self-reports.
It's okay. Did you write it? Did you draw to
Yes.
see?
Yeah, teacher, you
Yes.
can take the tent. Oh, you took them.
I took the attendance. It's but I want to show you more examples about the expressions.
Yeah,
I'm continuing to the next page.
The
Now
next
here,
page.
as you see, we have x plus x. The variable is x here, but adding both of them, x plus x, which becomes,
2x.
it's 2x. The number is always written before the letter. So this is an expression, okay? And if you
Okay.
have like these expressions, the numbers will be before the letters. It will be better for you, okay? So if you have x plus x, it becomes 2x. It's same as adding
Teacher, why do
2
they?
apples. Apple plus apple is 2 apple.
Wow. Okay.
Easy.
And here, y times x is this times, okay? Is the same as x times y. their places is not, the order of the places is not important in multiplication, okay? Y times X is the same as X times Y, and always it will be written like XY. So if you have this expression, it means that they have multiplication between them, okay? You can write this also while I'm explaining. Did you understand? So for example, you have 7
did-
times Y times X. You can write it like 7XY. This
We
shows
have
us
it in
that
our books.
this shows
on
us
21.
that they have multiplication between them. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher. We have it on the book on page
X
21.
is X,
Okay.
and
Oh
then,
my gosh.
but I don't
What?
understand this Y plus Y times Y is
Which
7.
one? Which one you understood?
I understand that up there.
X
Teacher,
plus
and it
X.
says,
Yeah.
teacher, it says on the book that we have to put the letters in alphabetical order.
Yes, it will be
So,
better.
like,
For
from A to
example,
Q.
here, as you see, first X, then Y, they have written. Yes, Era.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes.
Why did they like put their like 2 X's when they can only put 1?
For example, in your question, it will be like, maybe you will need to add that X's. Because of that, it shows if you add 2 X's, it will be 2X. You can write it as 2X, okay? And here, Marigona,
Okay.
here we are adding 2 unknowns. They are the same ones, X, and we're writing as 2X. If we are multiplying 2 unknowns, like Y times X or X times Y, you can write this one as XY. So when you will see an expression, when you will see in an expression that it's written XY, it means that this is X times Y. Okay, we're not writing the times between them. It's the same thing here. If you have 7 times Y times X, you will write 7XY, or 7YX is the same thing. But this one,
Yes, but teacher, X,
tells
Y
us-
are all unknown numbers, right?
yes, they are unknown numbers. Did you understand? So if we have multiplication between them, we are not writing the sign, okay? We are writing
Okay.
7YX. If you have division, x divided by 2, you will write it as fraction in expressions. It's better to write as fraction than like x divided by 2, okay? It's better to write this one, x over 2 in expressions, okay?
Yes, but teacher, always the X stands in front of the Y, or it can change places.
It can change, doesn't matter, but to
It says put the letters in
it's-
alphabetical order.
it seems better, you know? It doesn't change anything.
okay.
Complicated.
But for example, if you have A times B, to write AB, as you see, it seems better than BA.
Yeah.
But they are but they are the same thing, okay? It's not wrong to write BA, only for like it seems better, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, are you writing or can I continue to the next page?
You can
One
continue.
second, teacher.
Okay,
We have it in our books, by the way.
okay, so you can check
you
from
can
your
go.
book. Okay.
Okay. Shoot, I'm continuing, I'm done.
Now, here there are some examples how we are writing the expressions. It says, start with the number n, multiply by 2, and then add 5. I'm starting, look, start with the number n, multiply by 2, and add 5. So, what we said, when we have multiplication, we are not
2n.
writing the times there. It will be,
Yes.
and the number in front of the letter, so it will be
2n.
2n plus 5. So this
5.
is the expression for this example, okay? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes, Era, what will be here?
F.
F.
F plus G
Okay,
and plus 2.
and plus 2. That's all.
Yeah, no, and then write FG
No, it's okay. That's
plus
all.
2.
Here you have addition. We are adding
Oh,
them. And it will stay like this. The expression for this question is f plus g plus 2. Yes? And
okay.
Edin,
Start with the number m.
m, multiply it by 5.
5, then take 2 away. 3.
No. Let's
Wait.
write it. Start with the number m. M,
M.
then
Multiply by 5.
times 5.
Yeah, it is
Then
m plus 5 is m. It's gonna be m5, right?
5m.
Minus.
Or
5m.
yes. And minus 2. So it will be
Minus
5m minus 2.
minus 2.
Minus 2.
And that's all. You
Yeah.
cannot continue more here because we don't know what is m. Okay,
M,
we are
okay.
we are trying to write only the expression. Okay,
Okay.
we are not
Okay.
equalizing. We are not equalizing them to something. Okay, it's okay. Did you write? Do you have also this one in your
Just a
book?
second, teacher, I'm writing. I don't know, I can't find it in the book. I don't know
Yes,
where is
teacher,
it.
we have on exercise 2.1. Write these sentences and as expressions. Start with the number p and then multiply it by 3. Start with the number a and then add 4. Start with the number d and then take away 8.
Okay, it's not the same thing. So write these examples on your notebook. Yes, it's not the same examples as you see.
The first one is on work example 1. The second one is not.
Okay, write the
We don't
different
have this in the
examples.
book.
Yes, write the different examples in the notebook, okay? Did you understand what does an expression and a bit how we are writing them? We'll continue tomorrow
Yes.
to write more,
Kind
I can.
teacher, this is
but here,
complicated.
don't forget that we are not solving them. We are not trying to find an m. We are not trying to find an n. Because of that, it will not equalize to something. Okay, for example, you cannot say that 5m minus 2, it's 3m. You cannot do this one because we don't know what is m here. What is the value of m? Or here, to make it 2n plus 5, like 7n. You cannot do this one. Only the aim here is to write this expression correctly. Okay?
Okay.
Well, teacher, in C, why didn't you write it 3m? Isn't it the result?
No,
it's
there
not
is not.
3m.
There is no any
You
result
cannot
here.
you cannot subtract because the n is an unknown number. It could be, who knows, it could
This
be
is
9, 8.
think like this. This m is a value. It's a number, but we don't know for now. Okay, for example, if we know 5 times 3 minus 2, when you will do, what will be the operation here? Firstly, you will multiply 15. Yes,
15 minus 2.
minus 2 will be 12. Okay, so this one, this 12,
13, yeah.
it's not, it's 12, I'm saying 13 it is. This is not like here. For example, we said that m is 3, so 13 is not 3m. 3 times 3 is 9. Here you have different, here you have different. Because of that, you cannot do like 5m minus 2, it's 3m. Because first you need to do the multiplication here, then subtraction. But because we don't know the m, we are not doing anything right now. And now we are not trying to find something, okay? Don't forget. Here, we are writing only the expressions. There is a sentence, and we are expressing it in math or mathematically way, you know?
But teacher, at B,
Yes.
how is it gonna be like 2FG?
No, it will stay
No.
like that because you have
You cannot.
addition. If you have
You have
multiplication, it is like that. For example, if you're multiplying f times g times 2 will be 2fg. But here you have
Yes, but
addition.
only in multiplying.
Yes, in multiplication you can do it. Okay, now the lesson
And in
finished.
division, you have to do it in a fraction form.
Yes. Now we're finishing
Yeah.
the lesson here. Tomorrow we'll see each other. Okay, see you.
Okay.
Okay, teacher. Have a
Bye.
nice
Have a
day.
nice
Thank
day.
you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.